Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLE 350 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath there's a 3.5 V6 pushing out 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB Tex interior, sunroof. Come around back. GLE 350 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, power lift gate, pull down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Linden wood trim, Harman Kardon sound system, power windows, heated steering wheel, controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, dynamic select for different driving patterns, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center. This GLE has 25,180 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLE 350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.